อบคุณค่ะ40 บาทค่ะซื้อตังค์จ่าย40 บาทครับของหนูเท่าไหร่ครับลูก40 บาทครับครับผมกี่คนได้ครับเอา50ครับ50เอา50เลยครับเด็กไม่ได้เลยว้าวมันไม่แบบไม่ได้ให้50 บาทต้องแบบได้ได้เลย2 ถ้วยเลยเอา2 ถ้วยเลยจะได้กินได้เอา50 2 ถ้วยอ่ะเอา50 2 ถ้วยอ่ะเอามือจ่ายเราจะได้กินด้วยกันเอาให้40 บาทครับเอา50 2 ถ้วยครับมีค่าไหม40 บาทโอ้ไหม40 บาทให้เอา40 บาทมีไหมอย่าเพิ่งต่อมาวันธรรมดาพี่ผู้หญิงให้ตังค์แล้วนะบอกด้วย
Good. Welcome to Thailand. Thank you.
อยู่ไรอ่ะอยู่ไรอยู่ไรรถหน่อยไปนี่เลยเขาผลิตจากดาวนะคะดูได้เอามาดูได้แล้วเดี๋ยวเราทำ50 บาทครับผมช่วย2 ถ้วยนะครับพี่บอลมากินกันดูเอาให้น้องคนนึงแบ่งให้หมดเดี๋ยวพี่นั่งกินอยู่ครับเย็ดของไม้เขาพูดที่ของเป็นน้ำเลยนี่ฟิวก็ออกไอ้ของแกแกพี่ทำของไม้
มาแล้วครับ
บอกเลยมาได้เลยนะโอเคได้แล้วครบครับผมของหนู40 บาทนะคะรู้ไหมลูกเท่าไหร่มากินกันได้ไหมแต่ก็ถือไม่เย็นแล้วผู้หญิงไม้มาคืนที่ไหนทิ้งอย่างนั้นระวังเตะนะลูก มีขยะครับ
How cool is that, huh? Seen these around for quite a few years. They're only at the festivals. I've only ever seen them at the festivals, never seen them at a regular market. Look at that, huh? You can see the ice is building up on the side of the carton, the plastic tub. This is just very cheap Thai cookies, really. It's like big cereal. Doesn't taste any different than it would not frozen. Holy man, that's cold. Wow, that's really, really cold. I got the wrong flag. Most of the flags they had there were German. Burning, freezing my fingers right here. Tastes like Fruit Loops or something like that, you know? Oh, the cold ones are in the bottom. Anything? Didn't get a cold one. You see that? I've never had these before. Seen them a few times, but never bothered. The busiest stand in the market in this festival thing. These guys. Oh, that's funny. This one's not so cold. There's a cold one. She is white. The crazy things you do, huh? Holy wow. Frozen chocolate. Still smoking. It is about 30 degrees Celsius right now, 32 or something like that. So it warms up quick, but look at the size of the container. Try and get a smoky one again. Oh man, I think one is still got liquid nitrogen in the bottom. That's why. It's like frozen fire. It's really strange when they're like that. Wow. You ever stick your tongue on a metal post in the middle of the winter and get frozen there? That's what it's like. Too cold. Oh man, this is cool. When I was walking out of the market with this thing in my hand, everybody was like, he found it, he found it. That's what they're here for. I don't know. This is like a Thursday or something. All the kids are out of school for lunch. It's lunchtime. And they're here to buy these. 40 baht. What's that, about $1.20 US? The crazy things you do. Quite odd, huh? It's like it's on fire. It's crackling too. Freezes through my tongue. Two left. I was going to do two at the same time, but that didn't go well the last time I tried it. Look at that, huh? All the kids are watching as they walk by. What a business. Flat out as fast as they can make them. Okay, last one. And that's enough for me. Don't know if I'll ever do this again, but it was fun. It's crackling and popping everywhere. Kids are very interested. Like I said, not a common thing. Only during the festivals. I've seen this lady in a few different places actually. They put on a bit of a show too. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Hopefully you saw something different in this video. Wow, I got chocolate sauce everywhere. How did that happen? Oh man.